baby arugula, sliced fresh strawberries, cut up Persian cucumbers, diced red onion right next to our strawberries. Beautiful. We have some crumbled goat cheese, some of the best cheese you can buy, and we're putting that right into our pan with our fresh veggies and fruits. For a little crunch factor, I have my pecan chips, and we're gonna put this whole bag in there. This was a little bit less than a cup because I had used some of it previously. Now for some herbaceous flavor, I have some chopped basil. This is optional, but I love basil, and I think it complements those strawberries just beautifully. Now that we have our beautiful fruits and veggies laid out, we're gonna come over to our large measuring cup, and I'm starting off with our olive oil. You can do an avocado oil, but we're gonna add 1 cup of olive oil. Now you can adjust this to your liking. Since we are doing a larger portion, we are adding a lot of this olive oil. We are gonna get there eventually, but if you wanna make a smaller portion, go for it. Actually, I think I'm gonna do 3/4 a cup. That seems more accurate. I like to eyeball things. You guys can actually measure if you want. And we're gonna add our balsamic vinegar. Who doesn't love balsamic vinegar with their olive oil? Next, I'm coming in with my Dijon mustard, and these flavors are all just gonna complement our recipe perfectly. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of that mustard in there. And all good dressings need a sweetness. So I'm doing some maple syrup. You can do honey if you prefer, but just if you do the maple syrup, make sure it's the 100% maple syrup. And like I do with all my recipes, we're just eyeballing this. So you can measure if you prefer. We're adding some minced garlic. This is gonna be such a delicious and fresh recipe that everyone will love. Of course, we need to season this up a little bit. I have some sea salt. Perfect. And then some black pepper. You can add more or add less of whatever seasonings you like. I want a lot of black pepper because I just think black pepper goes so beautiful in any dressing. Now, since this is a little bit of a thicker mixture, I have my immersion blender, which is why we did it in this larger measuring cup, but we're gonna go ahead and mix this together. Oh, look how perfectly that's coming together. That is a gorgeous dressing. It's gonna also help that garlic get fully immersed into our dressing. And I think that looks pretty good. What do you think?
Oh yeah, it looks delicious.
Makes my job easy. And now we're gonna bring our dressing over to our salad, our beautiful summer salad. I mean, strawberries are in season. Those Persian cucumbers are absolutely my favorite. Some goat cheese, onions, pecans, basil. But I do have to say, I don't know if you guys have seen the prices for pecans lately. I almost didn't get them because that little package was $5, and I was like, that's insane. All right, it's time for the fun part. We are gonna toss our salad. Now this recipe is completely customizable. You can remove whatever ingredients you like. You can add whatever ingredients you like. You could add some croutons. You could do walnuts instead of pecans because that would be cheaper. But as long as you get those strawberries, that arugula, and that beautiful dressing, you're gonna have the most perfect summer salad. I mean, you can make this year round, but those strawberries were just so beautiful at the store. I knew I had to make this, and I'm just gonna let this sit in the fridge for meal prep all week because I love this salad. But this would be great for Mother's Day, Father's Day, 4th of July. I mean, all of those great holidays. This is what you're gonna wanna bring to the potluck. And we're just making sure that this gets fully combined with that dressing. It looks like it is well dressed. I made the perfect amount of dressing. And if you don't wanna make your own dressing, you can just buy a dressing, but you know me, I like homemade. This looks ready. You can tell everything is nice and dressed and distributed. It is time to give this a try. I have my bowl and fork here. We got the sweetness from the strawberries, the savoriness from the dressing. And those pecans, the onions. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. I could eat this whole thing for lunch and I'd be so happy. Perfect bite.
Is it good?
That was just beautiful. You guys have to give it a try.